Did you know Japan might have cracked the code to raising exceptional kids? And it's not by cramming them with exams from day one. In Japan, the first few years of school aren't about grades. Instead, they focus on building something much more important: character. Imagine a school where the main lessons are respect, self-reliance, and working together. That's the reality for Japanese students. They learn discipline and responsibility long before they face intense academic pressure. But here's the most mind-blowing part. Japanese schools don't have janitors. That's right. The students cleaned everything themselves: their classrooms, the hallways, even the restrooms.
This daily routine teaches them humility, teamwork, and a deep respect for their surroundings.
It's a powerful lesson in taking ownership and caring for your community. This focus on character is a big reason why Japanese children are known worldwide for their discipline and cooperative spirit. It makes you wonder, are we focusing too much on test scores and not enough on the kind of people our children are becoming? What do you think of this approach? Let me know in the comments below. If you found this interesting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights from around the world. Thanks for watching!